Hey everyone, I'm Max Murphy and you're watching Mac News Weekly number 70, sponsored by Gibraltar Management. Here's the Mac News from this week. In an unexpected move Wednesday, Apple released the next generation iPod Shuffle. Coming in at 4 GB for $79, it's twice the space but half the size of the old model. Apple did this by moving almost all the buttons right onto the earphones themselves. However, the biggest advancement is VoiceOver. We all know that the Shuffle doesn't have a screen, but take a look at this and how Apple has combated the lack of a screen.
Simply press and hold the center button.
Around the Bend, the Asteroids Galaxy Tour.
VoiceOver will announce the title and artist of the current track without interrupting your music, so you can choose songs without taking your attention away from your run, ride, or workout. You'll hear different voices depending on what type of computer you sync your iPod Shuffle with. You just heard what it sounds like if you sync with a Mac. If you sync with a PC, it sounds like this.
Around the Bend, the Asteroids Galaxy Tour.
And now, for the first time ever on an iPod Shuffle, you can organize your songs into multiple playlists. To choose a playlist, press and hold the center button. VoiceOver will tell you the title and artist of the current track. Continue to hold until you hear this tone. Release the button, and VoiceOver will tell you your current playlist, then read through all your playlists.
I can see this being a valuable feature for people who are seeing impaired. It's available in both black and silver and ships in about 3 days. Have you heard of WolframAlpha? Well, if you haven't, it's going to be a name that will change the internet as we know it. It's almost like a search engine. It's not another search engine like Google. Google works by collecting data from all over the web. When you search, it picks up key phrases and looks for documents pertaining to that keyword. But you still have to go looking through all the pages to find your answer. What if the website gave you the answer? That is what WolframAlpha is going to be. Say if I search, what country has the most gold medals in Google? I get all these pages. What WolframAlpha will do is actually give me a definitive answer. Pretty awesome. It's going to launch in the spring, but you can stay tuned to their blog at blog.wolfram.com to see how it's going. Oh, and if you somehow know the people that work there, I really want to get into the alpha. Thanks. We all know that Leopard should be coming out soon. The latest predictions are in early June or something, but we're starting to see some features that will affect you, the end user. Apple Insider posted some drawings of what QuickTime Player will look like in Leopard. It will go from this, current version, to this in Leopard. To me, it almost reminds me of what movies look like in Quick View. Apple will also build in time support. So basically, if you move into another time zone and connect to a Wi-Fi hotspot, your computer's clock will change automatically. Just some more high-tech features. What about them apples? Pun intended. Rumor control, the Dow Jones Newswire is saying that 2 close sources have confirmed that Apple is working on a touchscreen netbook and will be announced in the second half of the year. Details are sparse, but from what the report is saying, it will be around 10 or so inches. Also yesterday, Reuters reported that Apple has placed an order for 10-inch screens. I'm still holding on to my prediction of an August release, but what do you think? Voice your thoughts in the show notes at macnewsweekly.com. Finally, I got my Amazon Kindle here. Let me tell you a little story. Before I met Kindle, I hated reading. I didn't get the point. Amazon and their Kindle have changed my entire view of that. Now I'd rather read at night than watch TV. Whoa.
But before we go, we just got some news in that Apple will be holding a special event on Tuesday, March 17th to debut iPhone software 3.0. We will certainly have coverage on this next week, so stay tuned.
That's it for this week. I'm off to South by Southwest on Monday, so stay tuned for some episodes from there. Unfortunately, I'm not going to the tech conference, just the film and part of the music. I'm Max Murphy. Have a great week.